the Samsung Galaxy A series has become a very proper way for the company to tease the future. The triple or quad camera setup, hole-in-display tech may sound like a gimmick here, but when we look at S10's rumors, I think Samsung has now started following the actual smartphones trend. At the same time, the company has moved their focus to the mid-range market, and to highlight this change, they are introducing something new every time. When we look at sales figures, it's very easy to mark a decrease in mid-range zone by Samsung, and to work on this particular side, we are getting regular upgrades. Now let's move to the S10's part. This device is gonna bring a lots of changes to S lineup, among which the in-display sensor is the most anticipated feature. But according to a report, Galaxy S10 will not be the first Samsung phone to get an in-display tech. Instead, A10 will beat the beast to this key feature. And fortunately, it makes a lot of sense as the Korean giant is trying to surpass Chinese manufacturers in mid-range segment. Also, the Galaxy A10 will follow the footsteps of A series, and because of that, you shouldn't expect an ultrasonic tech. The reason behind this is crystal clear. An ultrasonic sensor is a very premium tech, and to balance the pricing levels, Samsung will use an optical one. Also, the Galaxy S10 is gonna be the only device with all premium upgrades like a more powerful triple camera setup, an ultrasonic sensor, and a hole-in-display tech with excellent view. All after that, take this leak as a pinch of salt for now, just because of its source. Let's admit this, Samsung is really up to a great strategy. Ice Universe posted this beautiful S10 Lite render created by some unknown accessory maker, and as you can see, it clearly shows a flat display with a cornered hole-in-display tech and similar bezels on all four sides. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack placed at the bottom portion of the phone, and yeah, for those who own a Galaxy Note 9, you have a good new update on the way. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.